Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. It's Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hi, friends.
Today's video is very useful. We will learn how to introduce yourself.
Yes, at work or at school. Simple English, easy steps.
Do you feel nervous when you meet new people?
I do, even as a teacher. My heart goes boom, boom.
Me too sometimes. So you are not alone.
In this video, we help you feel confident.
You will learn what to say and how to say it.
Please like this video if you enjoy learning English.
And subscribe to our channel. We make English friendly and fun.
Okay, let's start.
First step, say hello. Very easy.
Yes, you can say hello or hi.
At work or school, hello is safe.
Let's try together. Repeat after me.
Hello.
Good job. You can also say, hi, nice to meet you.
That sounds friendly.
Next step, say your name. You can say, my name is.
Or I'm. Short and easy.
For example, my name is Paul.
Or I'm Emily.
Repeat after me, learners. My name is.
Nice. That sounds great.
You can smile when you say your name. It feels friendly.
Yes, smiles help a lot.
Now you can add more information. Only if you want. You can say where you are from.
For example, I'm from Canada. Or I'm from Brazil.
Repeat after me, learners. I'm from.
That's a good answer. At work, this is common. People like to know you.
Now let's talk about work or school.
At work, say your job.
For example, I'm a teacher.
Or I work in marketing.
Short sentences are okay.
Repeat after me, learners. I'm a.
Perfect. At school, you can say, I'm a student.
Or I study English.
Repeat together. I'm a student.
Now, let's sound more friendly. You can add one small line. For example, nice to meet you.
Or, I'm happy to be here.
These lines are polite.
Repeat after me, learners. Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
People will smile back. Usually.
Yes, most people are kind.
Now, let's put everything together.
Listen first. Hello, my name is Emily. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Very clear, very friendly.
Now, repeat after us, learners, sentence by sentence.
Hello,
I'm from.
I'm a teacher.
Nice to meet you.
Great job. That was smooth. Now, a school example. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Paul. I'm a student. I study English. Nice to meet you.
Simple and natural.
Your turn, learners. Please repeat after us.
I'm a
student.
I study English.
Nice to meet you.
Exactly. Well done, learners.
Here are some tips.
Now it's your turn to speak, learners. We will ask questions. Please answer out loud.
You can pause the video to give answers.
Question 1. What is your name?
Good. Question 2. Where are you from?
Nice. Question 3. Are you a student or worker?
That's a good sentence. Question 4. Say one friendly line.
Excellent. You are doing great, learners.
Let's do a short role play. I will start. Hello, my name is Paul. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Paul. I'm Emily. I'm happy to be here.
See? Very easy and very natural. Let's review.
Today, you learned how to introduce yourself.
You learned to say hello.
You learned to say your name.
You learned to talk about work or school. And you added a friendly line.
These steps help you feel confident. Remember, keep it simple.
Practice every day. Please write your introduction in the comments. We will read them.
Like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more easy English conversations.
Thank you for learning with us. See you next time.
Bye-bye, learners.
Bye-bye.